Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Amazon KDP account. Whether you're a self-published author checking on your book sales or uploading new content, accessing your KDP dashboard is the first step to managing your publishing journey. Let's walk through this simple process together. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to kdp.amazon.com. This is the dedicated portal for Kindle Direct Publishing, where authors and publishers manage their digital and print books. Once the page loads, you'll see the KDP homepage with various options and information about self-publishing. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Amazon login page, which is the same secure system used across all Amazon services. It's designed to protect your account and ensure that only you have access to your publishing dashboard and sensitive information. On the login page, you'll see a field prompting you to enter your mobile number or email. Type in whichever one you used when you originally created your Amazon account. This could be the email address you registered with or the phone number linked to your account. Once you've entered this information, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. After clicking Continue, you'll be directed to a password entry screen. Here, you need to enter your Amazon account password. Make sure you type it carefully, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. This password is what keeps your account secure, so if you're using a shared computer, be mindful of your surroundings. Once you've entered your password correctly, click the Sign In button. And that's it. You should now be logged into your Amazon KDP account, where you can access your bookshelf, check your sales reports, upload new manuscripts, and manage all aspects of your self-publishing business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.